Welcome. Now I am going to show you what is the difference between multiplication of two arrays and multiplication of two matrices. There are times people get confused with multiplication of arrays and multiplication of matrices, and now I will show you the example. Here I have two arrays, a set of array which is 3 by 3 and also array 2 which is 3 by 3. The same set I have it here, matrix 1 and matrix 2. Okay, how to get a multiplication of arrays? Okay, so you are going to enter array formula here. Okay, and multiplication of two arrays can be done by just simple star. Okay, so before that you will know the result of array 1 into array 2 is going to be 3 by 3. So you select the 3 by 3. Now you are going to enter array formula, which is equal to, as usual you put equal to, then the array 1, then into, then the array 2. Okay, now when you multiply this array 1 and array 2, it is going to come up with 3 by 3 in size, not a single cell. Since you are entering array formula, you must give you cannot just simply enter, you must do shift control enter. Remember, it's array formula, so shift control and enter. You see this a simple multiplication become array multiplication, and it brings output of 3 by 3 numbers. Okay, so the first number is nothing but you can also see the formula is embraced with braces, enclosed with braces, so that means it is array formula. Okay, so what you have here is the 5 times 19, which is 95, 11 times 20, which is 220, 14 times 12 equal to 168. Same position is multiplied. Okay, this with this. Okay, so I will make it color red. You see, so same position is multiplied, this with this. Okay, similarly for second row with the second row elements, third row with the third row elements. Okay, 1 into 20 is 20, 8 into 2 is 16, 17 into 8 is 136. Okay, what is matrix multiplication? Matrix multiplication also is the array formula. We have array formula, so before we enter the array formula, you select it is going to be 3 by 3, 3 by 3, going to be 3 by 3. So enter the formula equal to, we have a formula m multi. Okay, this is the formula, and the first matrix or first array. Okay, comma, second array, close the bracket. Now you entered two arguments, two matrices into m mult. Now control shift enter, because it's also array formula. You see here 397, 183 and 238. Okay, this is 397. Okay, the multiplication of two matrices is totally different. It multiplies the value this way, right? We usually do 5 into 19, then 11 into 20, 11 into 2. Okay, let's do the first element. 5 into 19 plus 11 into 2 plus 14 into 20, 397. You see, so this is a difficult this first element is this into this. Okay, this is the very difficult matrix multiplication. Okay, then the second elements 155 and 28. This into this 183. You can find out how to get 183. 5 into 20 plus 11 into 5. 5 into 20, 11 into 5 plus 14 into 2 is 183. So the first is this and this, second is this and this. The first element is nothing but the first row of matrix 1 into first row of matrix 2, first column of matrix 2. Second element is nothing but second element is first row of matrix 1 and second column of matrix 2. Okay, this is the way. Then third element is nothing but because the third element is nothing but a 3 position 3 but column 1, first row of row 1 column 3. So this is nothing but 1 comma 3. So 1 from first row and a third column of matrix 2. Okay, so the answer is totally different from the array 1, and array 2 is simply just a multiplication of 2 elements in the position. But the matrix 1 and matrix 2 is not like that. Matrix 1, whenever you find a resultant set, for example, this is nothing but you have a second row and a third column. That means you must consider the second row of matrix 1 and the third column of matrix 2. You must multiply the corresponding element. 1 8 into 12, 17 into 6, 4 into 8, 32. Okay, so this is the way it works. So these two are different, and people usually they misuse matrix 1 and matrix 2. They think just array formula of array 1 and array 2. That is not. Okay, hope this video helps you to find the differences between the two arrays multiplication and the two matrices multiplication. Okay, if you like my video, just give a like. If you have any similar problems you face, just leave a comment and I will try to solve it and we will discuss. Okay, have a good day and God bless.